is another small painting with big impact. Smaller paintings have an appeal all their own, but also they are great warm-ups to larger paintings. Okay, so I used the old 5x7 mat to draw the outline of where this was going to be, so I made sure that I got my subject fully in the painting. So now that I have the size that I know is a 5x7, I'm going to take my tape and come out, maybe 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. Okay, so now that I have that in place, I can take these 5x7 lines out. Notice also that my flowers are just very subtly put in. Most of this is going to be done with paint, and I basically need to know where those flowers go, not so much that I have their shapes perfectly drawn. And so I'm going to start on that side. I'm going to put some gold down. And I always try to make these a little bit stronger than I think they need to be. And I'm picking up some alizarin. And that's because I'm going to make my orange that way. I'm not being careful at all. I just want the shape of a flower. It doesn't have to be perfectly done. So they're painted in mass and laid in there, and then we pick up our blues and our yellows to make our greens. Okay, so darkening this is making that pumpkin come forward. And again, this pot is rounded, so I want it to have a little shape. So I'll lighten this on the side a little bit and create that roundness. I hope you enjoyed painting this. Keep your brushes wet, and I'll see you next time.